Yo, what is going on, guys? How you guys doing today? So this is the Christmas vlog, so welcome back once again. I'm doing another one. So yeah, so it's the 23rd right now. Yeah, I'm not doing much. I'm just watching some Joe Rogan right now. But yeah, so this morning I went to go get my hair cut. You know, it looks pretty good. And then I'm recording on a new phone. So basically, like, my back camera was all like fucked up, and yeah, I got a new phone for free because of Apple Care. So it's the same phone but a new one. I'm also trying to think of a video right now to post or like upload maybe tomorrow or on Christmas. So yeah, for Christmas Eve I'm going to my dad's house, and then I'm gonna stay there for Christmas, and I might come to my mom's house on Boxing Day, or maybe like after supper, I don't know. But yeah, it should be fun. I still have to pack my bag. It is what time is it? It is like 9:40. It is 9:41 right now. So I should probably do that soon, but I'm pairing up my Apple Watch to my new phone. And by the way, I got one of my videos removed, this one, and it was like my third or second most viewed video. It had like 10K, so you know that sucks. I think I had some like music or some shit. That's why it got removed. Alright, I'm gonna go to bed. It's like 4 a.m. and wake up and yeah, go to my dad's house for Christmas Eve. Alright guys, didn't really do much on Christmas Eve, like that I can film, but yeah, it's Christmas Day. Just gone to my mom's house. Ended up coming here on Christmas Day instead. It's 7:03. Gonna open up some presents, and yeah. Alright, so just got these headphones, just opened up all my presents and shit. So let's open them. You're supposed to like levitate on your head or something, so that's pretty cool. I can only open it with one hand. Nice satisfying sticker peel. Maybe not. Yeah, it goes to the other side, but let's open it. Yeah, these are the Arctic 5s. Yeah, I'm gonna do a real review on them later, but show you guys how they feel. It's supposed to levitate on your head, so that's pretty cool. So left and right. Oh yeah, those are real nice, and it's RGB too, so even better. But yeah guys, I got a bunch of like Roots flannels, Nike pants. I was supposed to get some Nike socks, but I literally specifically asked for them, and I think they got lost somehow, but yeah. These are pretty cool. So this is like a sample, and you pick whatever one you like the most, and then you go get the actual full-size models, because all of these, like Gucci, Lacoste, Polo, all those, They're just like little sample bottles. So here's what this thing actually looks like inside. And then yeah, you can get a full bottle of one of them, and then it's just a bunch of testers. Really cool. What not? Yeah, got some cream. Got some nice deodorant. What else I get? Oh yeah, and then this is a big banger. This is actually beans, if you don't know what it is. It's for a computer. Let's just say this is like a cost of a PS5 right here. You wouldn't think it, but shit's expensive. And I'm excited to put that in my PC. That will be a major improvement, hopefully. But yeah, those are all the stuff for my mom, and then I just got a bunch of other stuff for my dad, and along with money. That was the main gift. Yeah, just like socks and underwear, and then I also got Apple Watch band. Showed you guys that. Yeah, socks, underwear, shit like that. Oh, and I got a Roots hoodie. If you don't know what Roots is, all 1, 2, 3 of these are Roots. It's Canadian brand. It's very comfortable. Putting this in here now, very, very dusty. Holy, but yeah, let you guys know when I put it in. And also we'll be doing a full review on this one for sure. But yeah, putting this in right now. Super, super pumped to put it in. Like, I'm very fucking pumped to see what all the games are gonna be like, and yeah, hopefully it's fucking sick. Alright guys, so a little update on Christmas. I actually can't fit the CPU into my monitor that I have right now. So yeah, I'm gonna go get a new one within the next week or so. Alright guys, so it's a little later in the night, 12:30 right now. And unfortunately I actually can't use my Ryzen 9. I actually my motherboard just doesn't fit on it, so I'm gonna go get a local oh, the thing just dropped. But I'm gonna get a local new motherboard, like a better one, at Canada Computers on the 27th. So yeah, that sucks that I have to wait 2 days, but yeah, I'm gonna get a new motherboard so it will fit on there. And yeah, this is what it looks like though. This is the CPU. Here's another thing I got, a weighted blanket. I cannot wait to use this tonight. Yeah, hopefully it makes me go to sleep faster. And then I got this polo hoodie too. I like it. And yeah guys, a really, really good Christmas. Nope boys. Yeah, good Christmas, and yeah. But yeah, this is Christmas 2020. I'm gonna be honest, it didn't really feel like Christmas this year. Like, the spirit just wasn't there. It didn't feel like Christmas as much, I'd say. But yeah, it still was a really, really good Christmas. Nonetheless, spent time with some family. Hope all you guys did. Ate food and whatever. But yeah, today I really just woke up at my dad's, and then opened up some presents, and then I ate there, and then I came back home to my mom's and opened up some presents. And yeah, I was actually planning on coming home tomorrow, but whatever. Already started these bad boys. I also got this candle. It smells like marshmallows. It's pretty cool. And yeah, so it's like 10:45 at the end of the 26th. And tomorrow I am going to get that new motherboard.
Hi, Reggie.
Alright guys, so I'm just at Canada Computers right now. And yeah, this is gonna be a long ass wait. The line is like wrapped around the whole store, so I'm taking shifts with my mom, and I'm gonna go get the motherboard right now so I can attach my CPU to it, because the motherboard I have right now, like I said, it just doesn't fit on it, because yeah, it's a clamp, and you don't really know what it means unless you know PC stuff. Yeah, maybe I'll explain it a bit more, and if I do a video on this new CPU motherboard I'm getting, definitely a new video on the CPU though, so yeah. Alright guys, so here's the PC I just got. Picked up some screen cleaner too as well. And some more keyboard spray. Some air dust. Now I am getting the ultimate burger. If you guys don't like this place, like I don't think I could qualify as a human if you don't like Five Guys. Like, I think even vegans like Five Guys. Low key, like Five Guys is that good. Time to put this in right now. Got my graphics card and my old motherboard right there. But yeah, this is this year's Christmas video. And yeah, I had a really good Christmas, and I hope you guys don't take it as bragging or anything. I'm just showing you guys what I got, because I love seeing what other people get on Christmas. That's one thing I love watching on YouTube is Christmas hauls, or at least I used to back in the day when I watched a lot of YouTube. I still do watch a lot of YouTube though. But anyways, yeah, I love watching that type of stuff. And yeah, that's what I make my videos about. So yeah, I'm very fortunate though to have everything. And yeah, I hope you guys spent Christmas with family and had some good food. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and follow my Twitter in the description below. Bates Boys with 2 S's. And other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.